Welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida and today I'm sharing a simple and delightful tea time snack, egg Suji biscuit. It's crispy, lightly sweet and made with just few kitchen ingredients. Let's get right into it. In a mixing bowl, crack in 2 eggs. Add 1/4 cup sugar, half teaspoon cardamom powder and 1/8 teaspoon salt. Whisk everything well until the sugar dissolves completely. You can reduce the sugar slightly if you prefer less sweetness. Make sure the sugar dissolves completely before adding flour. Now add 1/4 cup Suji or Semolina and mix it in. Semolina adds a beautiful texture that stays crispy even after cooling. Gradually add 1 cup flour, mixing as you go until you get a smooth, well-combined batter. Eggs provide protein while Suji gives slow-releasing energy. Use whole wheat flour as an alternative for a healthier twist. Making snacks at home means fewer preservatives and additives. Take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture at a time. Resting the batter for 5 minutes before frying helps it bind better. Drop into medium heated oil and fry for 5 to 7 minutes. This can also be shaped with cookie cutter before frying. Fry until golden brown and crispy on the outside. Serve them hot with tea or pack them for a sweet snack anytime. Use medium heat. Too heat and they will brown too quickly outside but stay raw inside. This recipe is inspired by traditional pithas but with an easier twist. For added flavor, you can mix in some crushed fennel or chopped nuts. It's a popular roadside treat in many parts of South Asia during festivals. And there you have it. Crispy, light and flavorful egg Suji tea time biscuit, perfect with a hot cup of tea or coffee. If you enjoyed this quick snack recipe, give it a like and share it with your loved ones. Have you tried something like this before? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more tasty and simple recipes. Until next time, stay happy, stay homemade.